Hello and welcome. My name is Clarissa Dagan, and we are here today to talk about Industrial IoT, which is connecting and securing everything from manufacturing sites, warehouses, utility substations, all of those rugged and outdoor and operational environments that our customers are using. Today, we have Brian here to talk a little bit about your very unique role and insights into these industries.
Yeah, thank you, Clarissa. So I'm in charge of those Cisco Validated Designs, where we're basically taking all of our amazing products and putting them together into recipes for how we fulfill the use cases of the customers in these industrial environments.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what Cisco Validated Designs are?
Yeah, so we're doing real engineering against these designs. So for example, we'll take a substation digitization or automation use case or factory automation use cases. And then we're taking all of our products, putting them together and delivering that customer use case and proving that it's going to work as designed with the right latency performance, the right scale. So it reduces the time that customers have to pilot. They can scale faster. They can reach value faster. Tremendous value to the customer that we're adding on top of the products.
So really, it's like a blueprint that they can take in a modular fashion and use across industries.
Exactly.
And what about third-party testing, how we're working with some of these other companies and vendors?
Yeah, another key point that we're not just validating the multiple Cisco products working together for industrial, but also the enterprise products, how we're doing the security. And then we're validating that along with the top applications that our customers are using in these mission critical environments. As an example, in the factory automation space, we're validating for Profinet, we're validating with Rockwell Automation. In utilities, we're validating with SCL, market leading recloser controller cabinets. So again, it's really an end-to-end engineering solution validation to help the customers deploy faster. And it's a very unique investment that Cisco is making to help our customers.
So you alluded to manufacturing with our industrial automation, Cisco Validated Design, and utilities. What are some of the other major Cisco Validated Designs that we're working on?
I think Cisco is unique because we've built a full portfolio of validated designs against all of our customer top use cases. It's everything from ports to trains, trackside to roadways and intersections, to manufacturing plants, to oil and gas, to solar farms, to wind turbines. So it's an amazing proliferation of these designs that you can check out on Cisco.com.
And I heard a rumor that just this month, we launched one new Cisco Validated Design. So we're continuing to innovate and launch new ones. Is that true?
Exactly. We just launched our substation automation, latest validated design. So check out our Design Zone site for industrial CVDs, and you can see the latest and greatest CVDs as they come off the press.
Well, you heard it here first. So we'll check out the Design Zone guides for Industrial IoT to learn more about these Cisco Validated Designs.
Thank you, Clarissa.
Thank you, Brian.